Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to free up some space on your PC, hard disk and all of that stuff. 3 ways, this is the best ways I've found and it's free, nothing to pay or something like that. So the first one is gonna be with the run method. You have to type this. You go here, type in run and here, go run. And now just put like this, temp, and click OK. Now after that, what you're gonna do, you will delete all these files. Don't worry, it's nothing like something important to your system, or it's just a temporary files that is just, it's unnecessary, I think. And just delete like 800 megabytes here, about 860 megabytes. Okay, just wait to delete it. Okay, after that's done, if this pop-ups, if you cannot delete that file, just let it there and click on skip. Okay, so that's the first method. The second method is using a CCleaner. I think this software is pretty good. It's awesome and it's free. You can go to the website CCleaner.com and just download the site. Link will be in the description. Just download the site and the program, and yeah. Now go here after you install the software. There, go analyze here. You have to close. You have to close the Google Chrome or something. So yeah, close it all. Just listen to software what it tells you. Just if you need to close some games and that, please save up your games and close. And now let's just wait a second to analyze the PC, and we will see how much space we can free up. So yeah, let's see. Okay, about 9,279, right? Oh, that's fucking like 9 gigabytes, you see? And now clean all. Now it's gonna clean this. So we can clean up pretty good amount of the memory. Using these methods. Yep. Just wait a second. It's like 9 gigabytes, like over 9 gigabytes of memory. Okay. Now after that, your PC is feeling fresh. Okay, you can now close this. Now the next suggestions I have is to go to my computer or to this PC on Windows 10. Go to right click on your, if you have two partitions, do this separately for each one of them. Right click, properties, and then disk cleanup here. So right click, properties, disk cleanup. And now it's gonna scan the PC, and here check all of these. So here we have about 62 megabytes. Click OK and delete files. Yep. And that's pretty much about it. I think this is the best methods you can free up your space. Pretty good. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more if you want more tutorials. If you have any questions about computers or something, feel free to ask in the description. I will definitely do a video about that, so I can help you. Thanks so much. Bye.